Just take a moment and imagine this with me. You're making thousands of dollars every month from your YouTube channel. No showing your face, no crazy editing skills, no expensive gear, just a smart idea, some free tools, and consistency. What would you do with that money? Would you finally buy that dream car you've had saved on Pinterest for years? Or maybe move into the house you always imagined living in? Or better yet, take your family on a vacation they'd never forget? Well, that dream might be way closer than you think. Here's the thing, YouTube is a goldmine right now. It's honestly one of the easiest platforms to grow on, if you play your cards right. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face. Yes, anonymous YouTube channels are thriving. People are earning thousands, some even tens of thousands, every month with videos that don't even use their voice or real identity. I was doing some research yesterday, just looking for ideas that actually work in 2024, and guess what I found? A super simple, trending idea that anyone can do. I stumbled upon this genre of content that's blowing up across all social platforms. Sticky, simple, animated conversations. You've probably seen them. Two characters having a funny or awkward dialogue, usually a boy and a girl with text bubbles or voiceovers, animated in a minimal but engaging style. And here's the magic. These videos rack up hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. Why? Because they're entertaining, relatable, short, and easy to consume. They're the perfect recipe for virality. So I thought, why not break this whole process down for you step by step? From finding the idea to editing, voiceovers, animation, and even uploading it correctly. All right, let's start with the script. You don't need to be a comedian or scriptwriter. What you need is a funny, engaging, and relatable conversation, and I'll show you exactly where to get that. Open Google and search something like funny conversation between a boy and a girl Quora, or funny chat story Reddit. You can choose platforms like Reddit, Quora, or Pinterest to get more accurate and trending results. I choose Quora. Now scroll through and look for a post that has high engagement, likes, upvotes, or shares. That means people already find it funny. If others liked it, chances are your audience will too. Found one? Great. Copy it into a Google Doc. You might need to clean it up a bit, remove unnecessary words, punch up the jokes, or even combine two threads to make it more dynamic. Now we need voiceovers. You don't need to hire actors or use your voice. Just head over to DubDub, 11 Labs, or Clipchamp. For this tutorial, I'm using 11 Labs because it's free, has tons of realistic voices, and it's super easy to use. Sign up for a free account. Once you're in, take the dialogue for character 1. Let's say the boy, and paste it into the AI voice section. Pick a male voice you like and preview it. If it sounds good, hit export, save it as an MP3, and label it clearly. Something like Boyline 1. Repeat the process for character 2, usually the girl. Pick a voice that has personality and energy to make the conversation feel alive. Tip: try to match the emotion of the dialogue with the tone of the voice. If the character is being sarcastic, choose a voice that reflects that. Okay, now comes the fun part, making it come alive. We're going to animate our characters using Adobe Express, which is free and works perfectly for short-form content. Click the link in the description, sign in with your Google account, and once you're in, go to Quick Actions. Animate from audio. Choose a character that fits your scene, like the iconic sticky guy or girl. They're funny, expressive, and perfect for this type of humor. Upload the MP3 for your first voice line and let Adobe do its thing. You'll see the character move their mouth and body according to the audio. Tweak the background if you want, a cafe scene, bookstore, or just a fun color. You can even add a transparent background if you're layering later in editing. Export the video and do the same for the rest of your lines. One clip per character, per line. This gives you flexibility when editing. Now we bring everything together using a simple video editor like CapCut. Start a new project. Import all the video clips you created in Adobe Express. Drag and drop them onto the timeline in the order of the conversation, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts or TikTok style. Use transitions between clips to make it smoother. Fade, swipe, zoom, whatever fits the tone. Then add background music, light, comedic, nothing too loud. You can also insert funny sound effects for expressions, reactions, or awkward moments. These keep your viewers engaged and make your video more dynamic. Don't forget to add captions. YouTube automatically generates them, but adding styled captions manually can really make your video pop. Before you upload, here's a smart tip. Check if your channel is shadow banned. Yes, this is a thing. Sometimes your videos won't reach new viewers even if your content is amazing. And there you have it. Your step-by-step formula to starting a faceless, animated YouTube channel that actually works in 2024 and beyond. The best part? You don't need to invest any money. Just your time, creativity, and consistency. I started from scratch. 0 subscribers, no editing skills. Now my channel has grown to over 11,000 subscribers and it keeps growing daily. And if I can do it from a small country, no connections, no studio, then so can you. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Pick your first script, generate the voices, animate, edit, and upload that video. Don't overthink it, just hit publish. I'll be dropping a giveaway announcement soon to support you guys, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell. And hey, check out my playlist on auto YouTube channels if you want to go even deeper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay consistent, stay creative, and go build your dream. Oh, sorry, here are the video results.
Cadet, halt. What is it that you have lost?
Well, my heart.
Are you serious?
The last time my heart beat so fast, it was 4 years back, and India were chasing 275 in the World Cup final.
The last time anyone tried to hit on me, he wished he hadn't. Try that on someone else.
Battle by puns? Is that even legal here?
Do you think I care what is legal after stealing?
What I think would be beneficial for you here is to agree for a settlement. You stole something. Let's see what you can give in return. A 10-digit number would work.
A settlement? Try something else. It doesn't suit you.
Could you excuse me for a second, miss?
All right. I will see to it. Alfred.
There's been a crime 2 blocks from here.
Won't the Batman do anything about it?
I just WhatsApped Robin. He's on his way. I have issues to solve here.
What does Robin drive?
Oh, he has a robbed mobile.
The last time I saw Robin, he was flying. The Flying Dutchman. They call him.
You follow football. I just received a text from the coffee house next door. There's a table for 2 ready. How do these people even know that we would be going there? Smart they are.